Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So let's get straight to the point. Everyone loves listening to music on their headphones, right? Whether it is before sleeping, while traveling, and all that other kinds of stuff. But when it comes to buying an headphone, it gets really confusing because there are so many options out there and we have to also check whether it fits into our budget or not and has all these features or not and all that stuff. So I also had to do the same for myself. I had to buy an headphone, and guess what? I did get an headphone which fits in my budget and has all awesome features like Bluetooth and all that other kinds of stuff. So in this video, I'm going to unbox and review the sleek, the classic and the stylish, the Boat Rockerz 450. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the box. See, Boat Rockerz 450, and these are the headphones. Now they are given all these features on this side. See, high definition immersive audio, enhanced connectivity with Bluetooth version 4.2, and adaptive ear cups and headbands. And see, this is the 40 mm driver and up to 8 hours of audio excellence they're saying, and seamless integrated controls. So we can expect 8 hours of audio excellence, so that when you charge it, it will run for a total of 8 hours, and you can connect it via Bluetooth and HD audio. And see, this is the image of Shikhar Dhawan and this is the boat sign. So let's open the box. Alright, once this is done, okay, and just open it like this. Alright then. So as you can see, first of all, these are all the accessories. Let's keep them aside for first. Let's open the main thing. These are the headphones, right? So let's take this out of here. And then stick it up like this. Yep. Alright then, so these are the headphones. Let's take all this stuff aside. We don't need the box right now.
A few moments later.
Alright, so let's get to the video. Okay, this is the headphone, right? First of all, I'll just pick it up like this. Alright, see, there are 3 cushions. First is this one, and then this one. This is for the headband, and these two are the ear cups, right? This is the 40mm speaker. Alright, then as you can see, the cushions are very soft. Same goes for this one. Then if you turn this up like this, this is the official boat sign, and then on both of the ear cups the boat sign is there. Now the right side and the left side both are specified. Then if you want to fold them, just take them like this and then turn them upside like this. Okay, so that you can carry them very light. This is one of the main features, that this looks heavy but is very light. Okay, now these two are the extensions which they have given on left side and then right side. Alright, this is the max you can extend them. Alright, let's close them again. Alright, and the structure of the headphone is very satisfying, very smooth, and it's basically made up of plastic and rubber. Alright, now let's get to the controls of the headphone. Alright, I'll take this up here. Let's focus it. Okay, now there are 3 buttons: the plus button, the pause and play button, and the minus button. Plus will increase volume, minus decrease volume, play and pause. Alright, now if you want to play the previous track, you'll have to press this plus, and next track you'll just have to press minus. Alright, now let's get here. As you can see, this is the charging port, this is the aux cable port, and then this is the LED light, and this is the microphone. All these 4 functions are very easy to use. Just plug and play the aux cable and you can charge it here. And once you switch on, let's do it, long press this button, right? Play and pause button. We'll just long press it and let's see if the LED gets switched on or not. Alright, as you can see, the LED is blinking. Now it is discoverable. If you long press it again, so it will go red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Alright, so this is how you can make it discoverable. Now that was the headphone. Let's get to the accessories. Alright, as you can see, this is the manual and these are the two things. Let's open it. Okay, first off, this is the manual. Alright, you can read all that stuff. Second thing are all these products which Boat offers. You can open this later. Alright, all this stuff. Okay, let's close it and keep it back. Third thing is the 1-year warranty which you get. Now this card is very important. Just keep it safe somewhere so that it will be useful for later. Alright, let's keep it back. Now these are the two accessories which you get. First off, the charging cable. Alright, let's open it. Alright, so now as you can see, it is a B type charging port cable, sorry. Alright, and its length is nice and it's a decent quality charging cable. Alright, and the second thing is the aux cable. Now the aux cable is slightly little thin and the quality is not that great, but yeah, the aux cable is really useful when like the battery of the headphone drains out, so that you can just plug and play. And obviously the quality of the aux cable when you plug and play will be better than that of Bluetooth, right? Because it's directly connected to the headphone by hardware, so that quality is always the best. Nothing can compete that. Alright, so this is the aux cable. It's almost 1 meter long, I guess, and yeah, that's all you get inside the box. Aux cable, charging cable, alright, the manual, the products, and this is the 1-year warranty. So that was all that was inside the box. Now let's connect the headphone to a mobile device. Alright, so this is my device. Okay, we'll just go here, we'll just go to Bluetooth. As you can see, the Bluetooth is switched on and you can see Boat Rockerz 450. Now before connecting this, make sure that this is discoverable or it won't appear here. Just click on it, let it take its time, let it pair. Alright, connected. Now if you're wearing the headphones, you will listen to the sound that it tells you that both the devices are now connected, and then you can just go and play any of your things. Okay, so that is how you can pair the headphone to the mobile phone, and these are all the things that come with the box. So let's get back to the video. Now as you can see on the screen is one of my videos playing, and on the right side it's a playlist. It consists of several of my videos. Now we'll check the controls of the headphone, and it's connected via Bluetooth, so let's do it. As you can see, these are the controls. Let's focus. Alright, this is the play and pause button. Alright, so I'll just hit it and we'll play the video and then we'll pause the video. Okay, now 3, 2, 1. See, it plays. Now we'll pause it. We'll just focus again here and see, it gets paused. Done. Now there are two more buttons on our headphones, right? Now it's the plus button and the minus button. So the plus button, what it does is it will take you to the previous video or previous song, and the minus button will take you to the next video or next song. Let's do that. As you can see the headphone, let's focus on it. Okay, this is the plus button, right? So we'll just long press it so that we'll go to the previous video. As you can see, it took us to the previous video. Now we'll press the minus button. Alright, we'll long press it so that we'll go to the next video. Let's do it. Okay, as you can see, it loaded and we went to the next video. So that's how you can control all the buttons of the headphones. And now let's get back to the video.
Many hours later.
Alright, so I used the headphone for a while. I listened to songs, I played CSGO and all other kinds of stuff. And the first thing I want to tell you about the headphone is that the bass and the volume of the headphone are incredible. Like, if the max volume of your mobile phone is 15, then 10 to 12 might be enough, because if you take it to 15, it's too loud. And second thing is that the comfortability of the headphone. Now, if you are not a regular user of headphones, it might be a little uncomfortable for you at the start, but as the time goes, it will become comfortable. Also, the cushions at the headband and the ear cups are great, and so yeah, that makes it more comfortable. And third point is that, first of all, I drained the whole battery of the headphone, and then I charged it again and checked how much time it takes. It took me precisely 2 hours 9 minutes. So it was written 3 to 4 hours on the pamphlet, but yeah, it took less time, so that's great. And I guess the battery life might go 9 to 9.5 hours. It's written 8 hours, so yeah, that's also a great thing. And yeah, that's my review about the headphone. Now, if you ask me what rating I'll give to the headphone, it will be 4.5 out of 5. Now, the 0.5 is for the base and the 4 is for the whole product and its price. So yeah, that's my review of the headphone. Now, if you want to buy the headphone, the links for Flipkart and Amazon are in the description. Go ahead if you want to buy it, and if you already have it, do tell me about it in the comments. And if you bought it after watching this video, also tell me about it in the comments, so I'll know that I was a little helpful. And yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching the video. Share it with your friends if you want to recommend these headphones to them, and like it if you find value in it, and consider subscribing to the channel, because I post tech videos and meme time videos every week. So yeah, that's that, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.